Hello everyone, Nick Mandera here with Emotiva, and today we're going to be going over what you'll be getting in your Emotiva Dirac interface kit. Let's open up our box here. Within there, you will have a letter and a getting started guide. So first, we have our Dirac Live interface box, which handles all the communication between the processor and the Dirac Live software. Next, we have a 5-port switch, just in case you don't have enough available ports in your home network. We also have 2 power supplies in your kit. One is a USB-C power supply for the interface box with 3 country-specific attachments. Next, we have the network switch power adapter. We've also provided 2 network patch cables. One will go from your processor to the network switch, and the other will go from your network switch to your interface box. Note, you will be required to connect your home network via your router to the switch, so they all see each other on the network. And that's it for the unboxing and kit overview. Thank you guys so much, and from all of us at Emotiva, happy listening.